Hey everyone, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad that you stopped by. So now in this video, if you wish to know on how to watch your Instagram video again, or if you watch some Instagram video and you wanted to go back and see it again, then this video tutorial is perfect for you. So just a quick heads up, there is no universal watch history feature on Instagram, so you will never be able to find it back like on YouTube or TikTok, that you just have to go to the watch history and scroll and find it. So in Instagram, once you've scrolled past a video on your feed, then it's generally gone unless you actively interacted with it. So if ever you've interacted with it, then there will be a few ways on how you might be able to find that Instagram video that you've already watched. So let's get into it. So how do we do that? Let's say that I'm going to the reel. I have interacted with it, I've commented to it, but let's just go on and like. So let's say that I've liked a lot of videos in here or reels in here, but I'm just going to go and find particularly this one. So let's assume that I have to find this one. So what you have to do is just to click your profile icon in here. So if you're going to click that, you will be directed here on your profile page. So let's just go on and click this 3 horizontal line and go search for your activity. So let me just wait until it loads. Okay, so it already loaded. Now I'm here on settings and activities. So just like what I said, we just have to go to your activity, this one. So after clicking your activity, you'll be able to find your place to manage these activities of yours in here. So as you can see, we have here the likes, comments, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. So if ever you've interacted with a video that you have wanted to watch again, then for instance with like mine, I liked the video, that particular video, so I'll be able to find it in here. So in your likes section, you'll be able to see the post that you've liked, the reels, and the reels that you have liked. So this is the video that I wanted to watch again. So as you can see, it's now here in my likes. So I just have to click that, and now I'll be able to watch this video again. So that's just it. So another thing that we can do, so let me say that I have a particular video that I have saved. So okay, I've saved that. For instance, what I have to do is just to click this profile icon here again, and now you will be able to be directed again to your profile page. Again, just click this 3 horizontal line and look for save, this one. So okay, it says in here that nothing is saved yet, but that's where you'll be able to find your saved reels or posts. So another thing is, if the video was a reel, like for instance this one, and you haven't refreshed it yet, like this one, if you haven't refreshed that too many times, then I think you'll be able to still find it if you're just going to scroll and look for it directly. So that are the ways that I can give you to help on how to watch the video or Instagram video again in the app. So that's it. You're now good to go. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content. You can also hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, please take care, and I'll see you in the next one.